Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my Falcon daughters. I hope all of you are safe and sound at your home. It's me, Asra Gulzar. Welcome in English class. My charming butterflies, our today's topic is application writing. In today's lecture, we will learn the format of application writing. So before starting our lecture, let's discuss our today's SLOs. Beta, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to tell what is application writing, purpose of application writing, and you will be able to create application by yourself. So beta, the first question that comes in our mind is, what is an application? Beta, application is a formal request. When you want to do something, you make a request, and you make a request in a formal way. It is called application writing. Application is always in a formal way. We write application in a formal way. Second question is, why we write application? Beta, we write application when we need permission to do something. When we want to do something and we want permission of someone, then we write an application to get permission. Application, this question is always come in your exams, and you write the application in your exam. It is always mostly it is of 10 marks, and today we will learn the format of application writing, that how you can create the application. So let's see beta the format of application writing. First of all, when you start writing the application, firstly you write the principle, and T of the will be capital and P of principal will always be capital. You will not write it in a small letter. Then you write the name of the school, Chinyod Islamia School and College, and you can see that Chinyod C is capital, Islamia I is capital, school S capital, and but you will write and with spellings. Okay, not in text form. You will not write the sign of and here. You will write the complete spellings of and. Then college, and after college beta you will put comma. After principal you will put comma, and then at the end of after the college you will put comma. And then you will write the name of the city like Faisalabad. F will be capital, and at the end you will write full stop. Next beta you will write the subject of the application. Suppose you are writing the application for sick leave, then you will write the subject here, application for sick leave. Whatever is the application beta, you will write the subject according to the question, according to the application. Then you write respected madam, R will be capital of respected, and madam M will be capital. Beta you will write complete spellings of madam, and after the madam you will put comma. Beta then you will start writing the application. Where madam is ended, from the next line you will start application from there, like with due respect. After that you will put comma. It is stated that. Then you will write the application, the purpose of writing, that I am suffering from high fever, like this. You will write the complete application, purpose of the application in the body, and in the ending you will write yours obediently. Y will be capital in yours, and beta in yours you will not use sign, you will not use apostrophe. Mostly the students use apostrophe in yours. They write after your, they write apostrophe and then they write S. So you will not use apostrophe. You will just write yours without apostrophe, and then you will write obediently. O will be small, then after obediently comma, and then on next line you will write XYZ. XYZ will be capital, and you will not put any full stop between these words. You can also write, but we are not following this format, so in between the XYZ you will not write any full stop. any dot. And date, beta, where you are writing yours obediently, you are writing yours obediently in one corner of the page, and on the other corner of the page on the same line you will write the date. I have written date in two way. There are two formats of writing date. You can follow any one. You may write name of the month first, like April 9, then you will put comma, then 2021. This is the way of writing date. You can follow this format, and I have put a slash here, and there is another one, 9th April 2021, and this is the second way of writing date. You can use any one. Okay, beta. You can see that, beta, that all the words are in sequence. The principal, Junior Islamic School and College, all these sentences, the words are in a sequence. I have written in a sequence. The format is in a sequence. You will write it the application on the left side of the page. Okay, not in the center or not in the right side. On the right side you will just write date, and on the left side you will write the application. My dear students, today you will write application for urgent piece of work, but this is a sample application. You may create it by your own self. You may use your own idea to write this application. But this is your home assignment. You will write application for urgent piece of work on workbook page number 69. But that's all about today. If you have any question, you may discuss with me. Take care and Allah Hafiz.